We are going to learn a technique to multiply two numbers together, but now in a special way. It is called Russian multiplication. Hello and welcome to our problem-solving session. Mr. M will now show you how to do Russian multiplication. Enjoy, and try some numbers for yourself.
So we're going to introduce Russian multiplication. And let's have a look at what this means. As an example, let's choose to multiply two numbers together. We're going to do 45 times 67. Now, choosing these two, we'll choose the smaller one over here and the larger one over here. So if we say the small one is 45 and the larger one, larger number, larger, we'll do larger and put 67. So what you do now is the first thing you do is, well, we're going to be practicing doubling and halving. The small one we're going to halve. Half of that, 45 is 22, remainder 1. We will forget about the 1. Then we'll double 67 and that becomes 134. I'm going to keep on going in this particular way. So that one now we halve and we've got 11. And this one we're going to double. So this one becomes 2, 6, 8. We're going to follow it through. If we divide that by 2, we get 5. And we're going to ignore the 1. But this side here we're going to double. So this now becomes 5, 3, 6. This one we half, and if you halve that with 2 remainder 1, any remainders we just forget about. This is the part of the technique. And if you double this right hand side, 1, 0, 7, 2 in this particular case. Then we'll halve this one and it becomes 1. And again we double this one and it becomes 2, 1, 4, 4. Right, now the next thing we're going to do is we'll look along here, and any one of these on the small column is even, we'll cross out. And we'll cross out all these as well, anything that's even. That's odd, so we keep that. That's odd, we keep that. That's even, so get rid of that. And we also get rid of that number as well. Now we've only got these two, so what we're going to do is the next challenge is to add this lot up. So what have we got? So we're going to add this particular column up. So these columns tell us that we've got to add 67, 2, 6, 8, 5, 3, 6, and 2, 1, 4, 4. So we have to add that up. And if we add that up, so that's 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 6 is going to be 21, plus the 4 is going to be 5, and carry 2. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus the 3 is 15, and this one becomes 19 with a 4, plus the 2 becomes 21. Carry the 2 there. 2 plus the 5 is 7, plus the 1 is 8, plus the 2 is 10, so we put a 0 here and a 1 here. 2 plus that 1 becomes a 3, and now the summary is that 45 times 67 will equal to this number, 3015, and that's your Russian multiplication. You can check on your calculator.